Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize the images inserted to the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened a blank document and I'm going to edit this document here, and I'm going to insert an image into this document. So I'm going to add this image right here, and you can see if I click on the photo I cannot resize it, so you need to pinch it like this. So if you only click on it and drag it, it will not be changed. So you need to zoom it in or zoom out by pinching the image like this, or you can also enable the print layout. So click on the three dots icon at the top and enable the print layout in here. So when you click on the photo, there will be this circle on each edges of the photos, and when you drag it like this, it will change the size of the image like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.